Hello, Miss Taaruds Advisory. This is Mr. Burns. You're probably surprised to see me talking to you, but we've had to do some changes with this distance learning. As some of you know, Miss Tarud is a special education teacher, and she needs to have greater contact with the kids that are on her caseload. So when you check in each day of the week from 8 to 8:25 for attendance, I'm the teacher that you're going to be checking in with as long as we have this distance learning going on. So let me just review a couple things for you. Distance learning starts tomorrow and it goes until May 4th, and then we'll see what happens once we get to May 4th. The governor will issue some kind of proclamation then, whether we're going back to regular school or if we're going to continue online. So our attendance is a check-in every day, and that'll be from 8 o'clock in the morning until 8:25. If you don't check in, I'll send you an email. Hopefully you'll respond to that email. We also are asked to make phone calls if kids aren't responding to that. If you haven't checked in with the teacher by 3 o'clock, if you miss that morning check-in time, you will be counted absent for the day. So please don't let that happen. Make sure you check in. And again, you're going to be checking in with me. So if you missed the morning check-in, I'm the person that you want to send a message to in Schoology that says, hey, I'm up now and I'm doing my schoolwork. So the way we have it set up, and we'll go into this in a little more detail, and there are resources that you can look at online. We'll do our core classes in the mornings. So from 8:25 to 11 o'clock is when you should be looking at your core classes. Go into the Schoology folders and check out what your teachers have put in there for you. Pay special attention to due dates. You get an hour off at lunchtime. So from 11 to 12 is lunch. And you can go get lunch. It's still available at all the schools and in the parks. Then in the afternoon, we switch to your elective classes. So whatever you have for electives, you'll be doing those in the afternoon. And again, check Schoology. That's where all your work is going to be. Fridays are going to be kind of our catch-up days. So if you haven't got all your work done or you have questions, that's a good time to be emailing your teachers and waiting for responses from them. We'll also be using that, let me see if I can write on this screen. We'll also be using Zoom. So you want to check each class in Schoology because there should be a Zoom code that you will use for all your classes. So I'm looking forward to talking to you personally every morning, and we'll do that on Zoom. So check it out in Schoology. And if you have questions, I'll be prepared to answer them as best I can in the morning. So have a good evening. I hope you're all staying inside, washing your hands a lot, staying safe, and take care.